My name is Lee Rose Kim. Today I would like to present the term Project Spring 1. Is a gamer want to move the penguin using the 3 arrow key so that the penguin can navigate the game scene? Is a gamer I want to use the down arrow key so that I can change the penguin weapon? Is a gamer I want to move the penguin without leaving the game scene so that the penguin does not disappear from the screen. The penguin moves from the middle to the left edge of the screen by pressing the left arrow key 3 times. The penguin moves to the right side of the screen by keep holding down the right arrow key. The penguin flies up to avoid from getting hit by the enemy by using up arrow key. The penguin can switch his weapon with the down arrow key press. For each of 3 arrow keys, the penguin moves or fly continuously as the key is kept pressing. At the left edge, the penguin does not move to the left arrow key press. At the right edge, the penguin keeps moving or jumping to the right arrow key press. At the top edge, the penguin does not move to the up arrow key press. At the bottom edge, the penguin does not move to the down arrow key press. At the far corner of the game scene, the shooter stays inside the scene after pressing arrow key. Is a bullet? I want to travel to the mouse press location so that I can explode myself into gray smoke. Is a lightning bullet? I want to travel along the line from the penguin to the mouse press location so that I can explode the enemy. Is a lightning bullet? I want to turn into gray smoke after I hit the enemy. Is a lightning bullet? I can hit enemy in any direction from the mouse press. The lightning bullet fly to any direction from the mouse press. The lightning bullet will turn from green into smoke ray when it hits the enemy. The lightning bullet radius does not change until it hits the enemy. The lightning bullet disappears only when it reaches the edge of the screen or when it hits the enemy. Is a fire weapon? I want to travel to any direction. At the mouse press, is a fire weapon? I want to travel to the mouse press location so that I can expand into much bigger size. Is a fire weapon? I want to increase the radius at the mouse press location. The fire launch always from the shoot. As the mouse press location change, the fire expands into bigger size than the enemy to protect the penguin and kill the enemy. The fire turns the turtle into a rabbit before the turtle explodes if it hit by the fire. And the fire stops expanding at the radius of 100 pixels. A neutron weapon. I want to explode at the mouse press location only as a neutron weapon. I want to travel along the line from the penguin so that I can explode. As a neutron weapon, I want to decrease the radius after I explode at the mouse press location. The neutron bomb explodes into gold smoke cloud at the mouse press location. The neutron weapon radius decrease after explode and disappear from the scene after explode. Thank you.